So what happened in Taiwan?
In 1895, the Sino-Japanese War broke out. It was a fight between Qing and Japan. Who do you think won?
Wasn't Qing big and powerful?
Surprisingly enough, Japan won. Unlike the declining Qing dynasty, Japan had modernized through the Meiji Restoration and was becoming the powerhouse of Asia.
Oh, I see. So Qing handed over Taiwan to Japan?
Yes, with the Treaty of Shimonoseki, Taiwan became a Japanese colony. For the next 50 years, until Japan's surrender at the end of World War II, Taiwan was under Japanese rule.
So did Taiwan go back to China after the war?
When World War II ended in 1945, China entered into a civil war between the Communist Party and the Kuomintang. They had fought before but had temporarily joined forces to drive out Japan. Once Japan was defeated, they went back to fighting over control of mainland China.
Why are they always fighting so much? So who ended up winning?
At that time, the Kuomintang controlled mainland China and had its capital in Nanjing. However, due to severe corruption and incompetence within their leadership and military, they eventually lost the vast land to the communists and were defeated in the Civil War in 1949.
Oh no, what happened to Kuomintang government and their followers?
They fled to Taiwan.
Ah, I see.
The people who came to Taiwan after the Kuomintang's defeat in 1949 are called Waishengren.
Weishengren? Then what about the people who were originally living in Taiwan?
They are called Benshengren. These are the people who had been living in Taiwan since the Qing dynasty in the 17th century. When the Waishengren came over after losing to the communists, they took control and ruled Taiwan, which led to a terrible event.
What happened?